Hi, thanks so much for joining us today. Today I'm going to be demonstrating a rally inside of a hub environment on Rallyhood. Using our demo account, I'm going to click on our hub, Forest North Service Unit. Inside of my hub, you will see all of the rallies that live inside the environment. Inside your rally is where the day-to-day communication and collaboration will take place for each group. As a hub admin, you can push messages and content directly to the message wall and to any of or all of your rallies under the hub umbrella from the hub environment. Members of the rally can also share communication within the rally, and the rally admins will have the ability to monitor and manage that communication. The navigation bar in a rally looks very similar to a hub. We strive to provide continuity across the platform for ease of use. The rally navigation bar menu option tabs include Message Wall, Calendar, Special Events, Gallery, Documents, Links, Signups, Members, and Groups. Now, let's scroll up to the settings icon. A really nice feature is that Hub and Rally admins can customize the navigation bar. Scroll down the page to Rally Features, and this is where you can customize your navigation bar. You can move these in any order you would like, and you also have the capability of turning them on and off. If you turn them off, they will not appear on your navigation bar. Let's scroll back up. If you'd like to go back to your main dashboard, you can click on the Rallyhood icon. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com. Have a wonderful day.